Hello, I am Quincy with SmartBots, and in this video, I will show you how I started earning Lindens by use of SmartBots Franchise. SmartBots Franchise allows you to become an official SmartBots reseller and earn commission for every new user and their active payments. So, if you have a spare space on your land in Second Life, that's basically everything that you're going to need. And this is how I started. I began with purchasing the SmartBots Franchise kit from Second Life Marketplace. The link for this will be in the description. Afterwards, I placed an office building on my land, which I also quickly purchased from the marketplace. Inside the office, I placed all the essential tools that I needed to become a franchise, such as the payment terminal. Okay, I think this one should go somewhere visible. Maybe this would be good. Device vendor. Well, the device vendor is also an important asset, so I'll just place it next to the payment terminal. Nice. Information boards. Okay, so these should be readable and pretty clear when someone comes in. I'll just place them like this. Perfect. And of course, the SmartBots logo. Alright, so the logo definitely should go above the entrance. Like that. Yep, that's good. I also added some couches, a small table, some plants, a work chair for the reception desk. By the end, this is what I got. I mean, pretty much I didn't really pay for any of this except for the building. The rest was included in the SmartBots franchise pack, so overall, I would say pretty good deal. Even though I was good to go with the office, I'm a perfectionist, and I also wanted to decorate the outside area of the office. So I generated a few items on Mesh Zeus as well. A few trees, some bushes, a few park benches, some light poles. Oh, and I also made a road with a simple rectangle prim. And this is what the outside area looked like. And after I was done with this, I contacted SmartBots support team and called a franchise manager to approve my franchise. The franchise manager quickly came, reviewed my franchise, and approved it. After this, a few customers came along and I helped them register with SmartBots. After they registered and made their first payments, I got my commission.
Do I have to create one?
Yes, you have to create one. Yes, and afterwards you need to make a payment from this payment terminal right here.
Oh, okay. I got it.
In total, I helped around 10 people to register with SmartBots, and now every time they pay, I receive the commission. So that was it for today's demonstration video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. As always, I'm Quincy, and I will see you in the next one.